everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. Today we have a very special video review since it's the first time ever that I'm going to talk about an item that I already reviewed in the past. Now this is the SJ4000 Plus action camera. It is a Wi-Fi camera and it can also shoot videos up to 2K. Now in the first video review I did the unboxing and the initial introduction to this camera, and in this video I introduced to you photos and videos that I took with the SJ4000 Plus so you can realize what it can do. So let's go to the demonstration. First you're gonna see the photos, after that you're gonna see the videos, and I call this work the aeroplane. Welcome back guys, I hope that you enjoyed my work of art, the aeroplane. I really enjoyed taking those videos and photos and also watch those airplanes land. It seems that next time I'm gonna take this camera and maybe learn how to fly, and I'm gonna take the videos from the airplane itself. About this camera, you saw a demonstration how it takes videos and photos. You will be able to see another demonstration since I'm going to upload another video of the SJCAM Plus with other demonstration and other features that I tested with the other camera. Everything that you're gonna see in the SJCAM Plus applies to the SJ4000 Plus because basically it's the same camera. There are slight differences that I noticed. I'm still learning about it, and I'm going to everything in the next video that I'm going to upload about the SJCAM Plus demonstration. So I hope that this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it. If you have any more questions, I invite you to comment about this video and I will try to do my best to give you an answer. I invite you also to like this video if it was helpful, and I also invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Original Video Reviews, so you can follow other video reviews that I'm going to upload in the future. And also I would like to remind you that we have a Facebook page and you should give it a like and become fans of the Original Video Reviews Facebook page. I would like to thank you for watching this great video by Original Video Reviews. In the meantime, bye bye.